car is it? 10? You got a full house. Let's see how this goes. I get 2 hours of sleep tonight, I'll be happy. Which number? 2. Go ahead. Which number?
So we are on our way to Chiang Mai, and we are on the sleeper train. This train leaves around 6:40 p.m. and we are due to arrive in Chiang Mai around 7 a.m. It's gonna be an experience, a little bumpy. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get any sleep tonight, but we're gonna see what happens.
2 กับ 4 เชียงใหม่ครับอะไรอ่ะเราจะไปเที่ยวคุณตาแก่2 กับ 4พูดมีลิฟต์ขอบคุณครับ
Hey, what do you give you that look for? You think I'm gonna fit? No, not gonna fit. No way. What a night. No sleep at all. I think I got 15 minutes of sleep. I mean, it's a great experience. And if you're going to do it, definitely get the bottom bunk. It's the invasion of the backpackers. Yeah? Hold on. Get my camera. Welcome to Chiang Mai. Here we are.
We have made it to Chiang Mai after a long journey on the train. Bumpy, loud, shaky. I didn't get a sleep. I didn't sleep at all. I didn't sleep at all. The wife, on the other hand, she slept like a rock. I think she can sleep through an earthquake. Pretty sure of that. Anyways, we're in Chiang Mai, and we're about to see what kind of trouble we're gonna get into Chiang Mai. Looking forward to it.
Get up, boss here. See? Oh, it's right here. She's very cute. Cute, cute, cute. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Bye bye. Pow! Ready? Look. Ready? Okay. Okay. Bye bye. ขอบคุณครับ Okay.
You have a good pizza?
Wow, that's crazy. Hello. She makes some. Wow. She making the clothes? It's like you have to buy from everybody, you know? Right?
No, not.
Well,
You don't have to because
you don't have to.
ticket.
I know, I know. Hello.
Really low.
Hello. Wow. Let's deliver this. Little shop. They don't have any kids. You know, if I had kids, I would buy. For kids, I don't have anything for kids. You don't see? Huh? Let's walk on this. You saw this side, baby. We saw this side. You gonna buy a fan? Fan. Good fan. Oh, this is a different one. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Oh, it's a fan hat. Oh my God. Oh, my mother would like that. What do you think?
Yeah.
How much?
เท่าไหร่คะ200
Okay. And it's easy to carry too. Okay, you know what? My mom that she's go outside in the garden. It'd be good for her in the garden when she does things.
What color?
You pick the color for her.
You wear a bright color or dark color?
Oh, you know, she's Caribbean. She wants bright color.
Bright color?
Yeah. You choose.
Red. เปิดยังไงอันนี้ทำเองหรือว่ารับมา Smell good. Smell like it.
Ask her how long she had on her neck.
What?
How long she put in her neck?
How long?
How long?
นานเท่าไหร่อะคะตั้งแต่เด็กตั้งแต่อายุเท่าไหร่คะ5 year
Oh, wow.
and มันก็จะสูงไปเรื่อยๆได้ใช่ไหมอ๋อได้ยาวสุดถึง
This is nice too, you know?
อ๋อกระดูกไม่ยืดแล้วใช่ไหมคะdo เลย until 29 years because it's
This is what material, you know? What made of? How much are these?
เท่าไหร่คะอันนี้200 250
Wow.
ใส่คอ
I'll give some to my daughter again. What do you
You're
think?
gonna grow a lot of it
Okay. Come on, Cap.
also from me
Oh, here he is again.
he just back
Oh.
he look at you like
You shouldn't be scared of me. What did I do to him? I'm a good guy.
bye 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 bye
Yes, you can take pictures. We go this way, and then we can come back out here. So you know that this?
Ooh. You got the wood to burn. You got the big roosters back there. See the rooster, G? See the rooster? They burn their wood. Wow. Do they actually live here?
you see how
Yeah. I guess they do live here. They actually do live here. Oh, he's milling something, you know? Is this a school? You gotta give a donation for school. Where does it go? I forgot all about you. Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, do you need to go all the way to the top? No. You don't like bugs? Huh? You don't like the bugs? Sure. Yeah. Waterfall. No. Wow. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Wow. Beautiful. Oh boy, where am I? Look at this place. This place is simply, how can I say it? Magical, beautiful, spectacular. You're sitting among the clouds, you hear roosters crowing, they have beautiful flower beds, and your legs will get a workout, but it's well worth it. Oh my God. I mean, look at this. Let me turn this camera around. Look at that. Oh my God, look. Wow. Are you kidding me? Hmong village. It's a Hmong village.